Hi, thanks everyone. So my name's Darryl. I study human restricted bacteria, mainly, how they interplay with our body, and hopefully in some ways trying to stop them causing the nasty diseases they cause within us. So while I've dabbled with neural networks in the past to predict bacterial adhesins, really what I'm interested in is finding solutions to some of the what at first seem quite simplistic problems, such as you can see here, variable flexible loops of hypervariable amino acid sequences coming together to form the perfect adhesiotope that binds to the human receptor and enables invasive sepsis in some organisms. We've studied different bacterial adhesins and their potential as vaccines, but the same microorganism at different sites in the human body can have very different outcomes. How can we use AI to understand meaningful correlates of protection at different sites in the human body and direct immune strategies and preventative strategies to enable us to eliminate disease, or at least in some instances reduce it? Some things we're also interested in is the uptake of DNA by bacteria and how that enables bacteria to evolve. Some bacterial species really select very specific types of DNA. Some do, and we don't understand why or how. And further, we're moving on to more complex problems. How can we bring together all the multi-omics, both bacterial and human, to understand the role in complex microenvironments such as cancer and degenerative diseases? Thank you.